How do I find my billing address for my debit card? Let's get right into this tutorial. Depending upon the bank or the mobile banking app, it may differ. However, for an example, in the case of PayPal, once you are logged in, you have to navigate to the setting option. For most of the application, the process is similar. You can find the option of bank or cards either in the settings option or in the profile option, from which you have to find the option of bank and card or something similar to it. Tap on the option of banks or card. In there, select the desired card to which you want to check the billing address for. In here, you will see your address. Select on Manage all addresses to check out your billing address or edit your current billing address if you wish to. In here, you can easily check out your billing address. If you wish to change it, you can tap on the drop-down icon and edit out your most recent one. Then just hit on the Update Card option. This is the example as PayPal. However, you can try it out in any of the application that you prefer to check the billing address. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.